Tapos talaga mapapaiyak ka kung gusto kong paiyakin at kung tatawa ka talaga. Naiintindihan ka talaga.
Pwede tayong lumaban sa mga ibang lugar. Hindi lang sa Asia, kundi sa mga Amerika. One word, quality. Nothing more, nothing less.
Laging may puso. Laging may puso ang mga pelikulang ginagawa ng Star Cinema. Nakaka-touch lagi sa bawat thing. Pag-gawang Star Cinema, very good too.
Pang world class, hindi lang sa dahil magaling umarte ang mga artista at syempre magaling din ang director at ang kwento sobrang perfect.
Star Cinema make sure na napakaganda ng movie nila. Quality.
Habang buhay ng movie, naputang na loob ko sa Star Cinema dahil sila lang po ang nagbigay sa akin ng pagkakataon na makakambigay ko sa pelikula.
So, Star Cinema is there yung nakaka-expect ng ibang pelikula, magagandang pagtrato sa mga artista.
Nagawan kasi na to go out of the box na ito lang palagi ang ginagawa na nationwide, pag sinasabi sa pamilya nito.
You expect right away a movie that is of high quality. You will expect right away na yung star lang nito. Let's watch it. Parang everybody knows that when you put a Star Cinema project, it's going to be lasting.
Kasi kahit ano man ang gawin natin, kahit nasa ibang lugar ka pa, hanapin mo pa rin po ay yung lasang Pinoy. So, ang lasang Pinoy, lahat po ng mga entertainment, whether it's television or movies, na ginagawa ng Star Cinema sa inyo.
Kaya naman sa inyong walang sawang pagsuporta at pagmamahal. Maraming salamat po. Kayo po ang aming inspirasyon.
For the past 15 years, naging commitment ako ng Star Cinema na gumawa ng pelikula ni ganito. Kayo po ang nagsisilbing inspirasyon namin, kaya nagpapatuloy po namin. We will continue to do more movies that will touch the hearts of Filipinos worldwide. Ang bawat pelikulang aming pinalalabas ay dahil sa inyo at para sa inyo. It's my honor to present mga bagong pelikula po namin for 2009. Mga pelikulang iniiyakan, kakikiligan, tatawanan at mamahalin. Samahan niyo po kami sa isa naman pong taon sa mga bagong pelikula na magbibigay kasiyahan po sa inyo. Maraming salamat po.
2009, sa pagpapatuloy ng Star Cinema tradition of bringing you high-quality and heartwarming films, we proudly bring you
this much-awaited first movie of Piolo Pascual and Angel Locsin, Land Down Under, is coming to theaters this January 2009. After the overwhelming success of A Very Special Love, John Lloyd Cruz and Sarah Geronimo will team up once again in a sequel, You Changed My Life. Star Cinema brings to the big screen a youth horror movie starring Shaina Dial, Mike Salvador, Jake Cuesta, and Jeff Eigenman. Mysteria is the movie that every Bacarda should watch out for, showing in March 2009. 2009 is sure to become a hilarious year with this comedy movie that will feature the Star Cinema comeback of Bong Revilla and box office star Tony Gonzaga. Amnesia is going to be a laugh-a-minute film that you will never forget. How do you make a young widow fall in love again? Bea Alonso, Derek Ramsey, and Sam Wiley, and I Love You So will open in cinemas this May 2009. Piolo Pascual and Casey Concepcion will go against the odds and stand by their one great love pair to fall in love again in The Man I Love, showing this July 2009. From the director who brought you the most successful horror movies today, from Suri and Suku comes another movie that will definitely make you scream, starring Miss Maricel Soriano, young star Mika de la Cruz, and Derek Ramsey inside T2 this August 2009. Featuring the big screen comeback of star for all seasons, Miss Vilma Santos. This movie also stars John Lloyd Cruz and Vilma's son, Luis Manzano. A Mother's Story will be shown in September 2009. Jericho Rosales and Cristina Mossa, also starring one of Malaysia's most sought-after stars, Carmen Sue, The Love Affair, is a movie event that we all shouldn't miss this October 2009. The country's premier leading man, Aga Mulan, is finally paired up with one of the most talked about leading ladies today, Angel Locsin. Priest promises a romance drama that will surely become a box office success this November 2009. We are also working on 3 very special projects that our core audiences should definitely watch out for. Julie Ann Santos will star in a romantic drama that will surely captivate our hearts. Angelica Panganiban will be launched in her first solo project. Will star in a love triangle with the controversial leading man Gabby Concepcion and budding dramatic actor Derek Ramsey. The much-awaited comeback of the dramatic princess Claudine Barreto will finally make its way to the big screen. This is another dramatic movie that everyone will surely talk about. And last but not the least, Star Cinema, in cooperation with Ambiant Media, proudly presents the first ever 3D animation movie in the Philippines, entitled RPG. A story about a kid who gets trapped inside the exciting world of a role-playing game. This is definitely something that the whole family will enjoy. We invite you to join and support us in our various theatrical and video release endeavors as we make another history this 2009. Maraming salamat po.
Ayan po ang kaibigan na ito mga kapangan ng next year. So hopefully mapadala rin natin. Pumunta nito na next year. Sino? Si Aga. Sino ba? Ha? Si Harry Joy, Christine? Sino pa? Derek Ramsey. Sino ba? Julie Ann. Lahat siya dadalhin ng ABS-CBN Global. Ngayon naman, syempre, sino naman ang Diyosa sa inyo? Ayan. Andito na siya, syempre. Makapanood niyo siya next year. Nakikita na rin nakasama si Bea Alonso. Okay, tawagin na natin ang bida ng My Big Love. Mr. Sam Moses! Ayan, Sam na. Hello, Sam.
Hello, magandang gabi po.
Ayan.
First time na, no? Okay.
Kayo wala na panood.
Ganda ng mga upcoming movies na
Lens ka ba?
Stars.
Na-tense ka? Battery. Pelikula. Maganda yung pelikula mo next year, Sam, ha?
With Bea, you guys, nabasa ko na yung script and isang shooting day lang actually. Pero grabe ang ganda. Super ganda yung story nito. And heavy drama, so very different from me, from yung mga movies na ginawa ko na. But yun, so sana
panoorin nila next year.
Next year.
Siyang may magandang balita ka for Diyosa, Sam, di ba?
Diyosa din. It got extended actually to February. Extended yung Diyosa to February. So, yun, thank you so much sa supportan nyo. And
gusto nyo ba? Sino? Si Ann?
Si Ann.
Nag-taping si Ann.
She's on her way here right now.
Bakit magkakabalikan ba kayo?
Tapos ba ito?
Bakit siya dito? O, gusto mo pa kumanta si Sam, Melby?